So we will now see how to realize this navigation system. So by clicking on the different arrows here on the top, it's possible to go from a page to another one in one way or the other. Okay. So this navigation system is only possible for a small number of pages, at least 3 or 4. Indeed, with such navigation system, the user can't jump directly to a particular place of his choice. So to realize the system, we can go to Dreamweaver. Okay, then in the creation display, so we will first select the icon for the navigation. Here, for instance, the left-oriented arrow. So, before the first page, we wish to reach the last page of our site, that is to say for us, the page number 3. To do this, we will fill in the link box of the Properties window and clicking on the search file K or browse K. Then we will select the page number 3 in the right directory. So here I will select page number 3. Then I click on OK. So we think to add a small text here in the secondary text. So this small text could be previous page. So this secondary text fills the alt attribute of the image tag. So you have to double this alt attribute by the title attribute, and you have to do this in the code display. So we'll do this after we have finished with this page. Okay, so be sure here that the border value is set to 0, because we don't want that our picture is surrounded with a blue frame. Okay, so I will now click on the other picture here. I want to select it here, so I do on the same way, and then here I browse here in the link box here the page number 2. Here I click OK, then I select here the secondary text, for instance here next page, it's for the alt attribute, and you have to double this alt attribute by the title attribute. So to see when hovering over the picture that a tooltip appears. Okay. So we can go here to the code display and to add here the title attribute here and select, for instance, here previous page, copy and paste for the title attribute. So we do the same for the next page. So title equal, and then we select next page, copy here and paste. Okay, so that's okay for page 1. So I can save my job. So I can do the same for the different pages of my site. So here I browse here to select page 1, and here I can write previous page. Okay, for this one I browse to select page 3 and OK. Then I can add here a small text with tooltip. So next page. Okay. So in the code display I will add the title attribute. I've already stored some text here and here for the previous. So previous page. Okay. So in the creation display I can save here, and finally I do the same for the third page. So here for the previous is page number 2. Here I can add previous page, previous page, and here for the last one. So I select page number 1. Okay, and here I fill next page. So in the display code, in the code display, so I can add my different title attributes. Sorry, so here is the previous one, previous page here and here equal. So next page. Okay, so here in creation display, so I can save my file, and here you can close all the files, and here I can view the result in my favorite browser. So I click on F12 K, and then here I can reach the different pages. Here, for instance, K. So we have seen in this video how to create a linear page-to-page navigation system.